Imagine the most destructive object in the universe. Objects that don't explode, don't shine, and don't warn you. They simply wait. They can swallow stars, planets, light, and even time itself. Tonight, we are talking about black holes, the places where reality itself began to fall apart. Black holes are some of the most terrifying phenomena in physics because inside them, space and time stop making sense. Do you still not understand why this is catastrophic? Let's imagine, hypothetically, that someone falls into one. A black hole has a boundary called the event horizon. Once anything crosses this limit, it can never escape. Not even light. Think about that kind of power. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, fast enough to circle Earth 7 times in 1 second. Yet even light cannot escape. Seen from the outside, a person falling in would appear to slow down and freeze at the event horizon. But from the perspective of the person falling, the story is far worse. From the victim's point of view, it is infinitely more terrible. Gravity becomes so intense that the difference between their feet and head is enormous. They will be stretched like spaghetti until torn apart. Spaghettification. It would be as if they existed in many times and places at once. We don't truly know what happens to the consciousness. It might not simply disappear. It could persist in ways we don't yet understand. Inside the black hole, all matter and energy collapse into an infinitely small point called the singularity. There, the laws of physics break down, and time itself may stop. Anything that entered cannot move forward or backward in time. If consciousness remains, it might experience an eternal state, a place where not only matters end, but the rules of the universe do too. You may think black holes are extremely far away, but let me disturb your peace tonight when you lie in your bed. Small black holes exist. Some could hold the mass of a planet in the size of a coin. They emit no light, reflect no light, make no sound. If they are not faded, they are nearly invisible. Scientists believe there may be a rock black holes wandering along, not stars, no orbit, just darkness. The chance one is near Earth is small, but not zero. And in the universe, not zero can matter. According to Stephen Hawking, black holes slowly emit radiation. They can evaporate over an imaginable time, trillions upon trillions of years, far longer than the age of the universe. The real horror of the black holes is not that they swallow us, it is what they reveal, that our understanding is incomplete, that reality itself has a limit. Every time you look at the night sky, remember, the universe is not only beautiful, it is strange, violent, unknown. Somewhere in the silent dark, black holes are warping space and time, and we live in that universe. A universe not made for us, yet one we are lucky to witness, watching, questioning, trying to understand. Black holes are not just cosmic vacuum cleaners. They are distorters of reality itself. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, gravity is not simply a force. It is the bending of space and time. Mass tells spacetime how to curve, and curved spacetime tells matter how to move. Near a black hole, this curvature becomes a string. Time itself slows down. A clock near a black hole will tick more slowly than a clock on Earth. Minutes there could be hours far away. In theory, if someone could orbit safely near a black hole and then return, they might find that many years had passed for everyone else. The future would arrive faster for the rest of the universe than for them. Black holes are not just objects in space. They are machines that warp time. Some physicists have explored an even stranger idea. If space-time can bend, could it also connect distant points? This leads to the concept of wormholes, tunnels through a space-time. Mathematically, black holes could be linked to these tunnels, a bridge between two regions of the universe, or perhaps between different universes. We don't have proof, and such a structure would likely be unstable, but the equations allow the possibility. And in science, even a small possibility is worth exploring. Now, let me introduce you to a cosmic monster. Not a myth, not a god of ancient religions, but something far more real. A colossal black hole, a gravitational titan, a force so immense that entire star systems mean nothing to it. This is Tong 618. But where exactly is this cosmic giant? Tong 618 is located approximately 10.4 billion light years away from Earth. It lies in a direction of the constellation King's Benedicite, a modest northern constellation whose name means the hunting dogs. 10 billion light years. The light we observe from Tong 618 tonight began its journey when the universe was still young. We are not seeing it as it exists now. We are seeing it as it was billions of years ago. Which means whatever Tong 618 has consumed since then, we do not yet know. Tong 618 is classified as a quasar, a supermassive black hole actively feeding as matter spirals inward. It forms an accretion disk so hot and so luminous that it can outshine the entire galaxies. Imagine something so destructive that its feeding process makes it one of the brightest objects in the observable universe. This is not a speculation. This is measured astrophysical reality. And yet, despite its unimaginable scale, Tong 618 is governed by the same gravity that keeps your feet on the ground. The same physical laws that made apples fall allow this monster to consume worlds. It is distant, incredibly distant. It poses no immediate threat to Earth, but its existence reminds us of something unsettling. The universe is capable of creating forces so extreme that entire civilizations, if they ever form nearby, could vanish without leaving a single trace. And no one will ever know they were there.